Recently, ARC had their talk show, which allows different alumni of TAPME to come in the campus and give their real life situation and their experience at TAPME, how their lives have changed after leaving TAPME and how the corporate life is treating them. Hello, I'm Divyanshi Gupta, a second-year BBA student studying at TAPME Bengaluru. I'm originally from UP, Uttar Pradesh, and I have stayed here in Bangalore for almost 10 years now. I have done my schooling from Presidency School, Bangalore South, and I joined TAPME as I see myself in corporate after 3 to 4 years after completing my graduation. I see TAPME giving me a path for it, as it's a holistic program which has various subjects like culture and context, anthropology, apart from marketing and finance. It also has subjects like psychology. So I see myself aligning my goals with this program. I think TAPME is not just a place for learning, but it's also for building your future. So I definitely feel that it has it gives us various opportunities like internships and various other life projects. And we also have courses like SRME, which is Sustainability and Responsibility and Managerial Ethics. So it also aligns with it, and it also allows us to work for society. So we have various events. For example, we have a club as well, which is ECEL, Entrepreneurship Club. We recently had an event which was Pravritti, which allowed all the students from TAPME to pitch their ideas and come up with their innovative solutions with, like, there are various problems in the society. They come up with the problems that people are facing and they come up with their own innovative ideas. So we allowed the students to pitch in their ideas to the startup founders. We had 3 startup founders coming in for the event, and they also gave some investment and opportunities to the students whose ideas was best aligned with the problem. This is one of such things which is very exciting about TAPME, because there are various events coming up all together. Recently, we also had Adikshana, which was our management fest. We had Mr. Ankur Wariko coming in for the keynote speech, and it was such an insightful session. From the first year itself, we are built in such a way with various programs like Student Development Program, which allows us to put forward our innovative thoughts and also allows us to be creative. It also allows us to think as per the real life situation and sort of keep us in the situation and think about it. There are various talk shows. Recently, ARC had their talk show, which allows different alumni of TAPME to come in the campus and give their real life situation and their experience at TAPME, how their lives have changed after leaving TAPME and how the corporate life is treating them. Definitely we get some reality checks as well. We also had a Global Leadership Conference, GLC, wherein various people from different companies came, and they sort of gave us the reality check in terms of how the corporate life is gonna look like. But we also got some various insights from them as to what is good for our career and which stream we can take. I believe TAPME is definitely helping me build my individual self. I have learned various skills. For example, communication. I have been an MC for the event Adikshana. So it also allowed me to explore my communication skills. So this is one such part which I believe that TAPME has given a path for. And second would be teamwork. We have various group projects and case studies where we have to discuss and indulge in conversation with our team members. So it sort of prepares you for the corporate life, because you'll have to work with a lot of people. You'll have to know how to interact with them and sort of understand the other people and their perception better. Teamwork is one such quality that I have figured out in myself after joining TAPME. Third would be leadership qualities, because for the events that are coming up, we're all divided into teams. We have to, look forward in that path, and we have to sort of lead the team to focus on the main goal. These are the 3 qualities that I believe I have learned in myself, I have figured out in myself after joining TAPME. I have definitely grown as an individual in my life after joining TAPME.